Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the natural vegetation, and we have completed tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen and temperate deciduous, and the Mediterranean forest. Today we will going to study about the coniferous forest. Coniferous forests are found in the mountainous areas in the high latitude between northern hemisphere 50° north to 70° north. They are also known as the taiga. So the coniferous forests are also commonly known as taiga. Coniferous forests are also found in the high mountainous slopes. And what are the characteristics of such area? The summers are warm and the winters are very, very cold. Okay, conifers, the name, as you can see, the conifers have adjusted themselves in such type of climate as in the dry winters and warm summers. And to protect their seeds, they bear cone instead of the seeds, the hard cones they have instead of seeds. And they have not broad-leaved leaves, they have narrow needle-shaped leaves, and the trees are very tall and straight. And these trees have softwood basically, which are lightweight, and that is why they are easy for carrying from one place to another. And lumbering means trading in timber becomes very profitable in this. Okay, so the dominant trees of these areas are chair, pine, fir, spruce, cedar, larch, and hemlock. So the name of the trees are chair, pine, fir, spruce, cedar, larch, and hemlock. These coniferous forests are found where? In the southern Alaska, in the southern Canada, parts of Norway, Sweden, and Finland, and in Russia. And in India, it is found in the highland, that is in the Himalayan regions, where the climate is very cold during the most of the part of, and in summers it is warm. That is why the people go to travel to hill station during the summer season, because in the plains it is very hot, but in the mountainous region it is cooler. And what kind of animals are found in this area? The animals which are found in these areas are basically fur-bearing animals, the animals which have fur, and that is they are found in southern Alaska, southern Canada, parts of Norway, Sweden, Finland, and in Russia. The animals which are found in these countries. These animals are found, and they are basically fur-bearing animals like silver fox, mink, lynx, polar bear, caribou, and reindeer are found in these areas. So basically the fur-bearing animals, the fur protect them from the cold, and in this way they can survive in this kind of climate. And the softwood is obtained from these forests, and that is very good for making paper pulp. Paper pulp means from this wood paper is being made, and for newsprint actually. And the softwood is also used for matchbox. You know that matchboxes are made out of wooden, and packing boxes of plywoods, thin plywoods are used. Furniture for doors, sports goods, etc. You know that cricket bat is played with a wood that is made out of softwood willow se banta hai. This has resulted in large-scale lumbering and destruction of these forests. And you know that when it is commercially used, some forest wood is commercially used, it has been exploited by the people for their commercial use. So this has resulted in large-scale lumbering and the destruction of these forests also. So this was all about the forest. In the next topic, we will know about the grassland. If you have any problem, you can give me your feedback and you can ask me questions also.